Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys. Now, this is the Ariens Zoom 34-inch. It's got two blades underneath it, and I elected to find them on Amazon. Now, these are the 810 blades, and what they are is just tiny little guys like this. And we're gonna take one off, and actually both, and see what they look like, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, she's up. I'm gonna grab these blades off here. Okay, it's off. Now, these are from LawnRAZOR, okay? You can see that brand name on there. Now, there's the old one. Now, I don't know if these are OEM or not because I bought this mower new or used. So, but you can see how much that is wore, okay? They're getting thin on the backside, so yeah, it's time to change them. But what I wanted to do is measure the width of the blades here to see if what they are and go from there. Now this one here is about 4 millimeters, and this one here is 5 millimeters. So it's a little bit thicker blade, and all the way through, pretty much exactly the same. Like the hole matches up. They've got the two holes here, two holes here. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this purchase, and there's a link in the description if you need some. But yeah, a little bit tougher blade. I don't know if the metal is exactly the same as OEM stuff. Usually it's not. It's made with cheaper stuff, but yeah, for the price, they're only I think 53 bucks on Amazon or whatever for the pair. So not bad, not great, but not bad. 3 years ago they were probably 40 bucks or even 30. But anyway, that's my take on these blades for that Ariens Zoom 34 dual blade or twin blade belly mower. Anyway, that's it. Bye now.